So I forgot to film an intro for this weekend. It's Sunday night, by the way. Basically, if you don't like mountain biking or disc golf, then this is probably not the episode for you. Good morning, weekenders. It's Saturday morning. Me and Logan just woke up in Fontana, California for some more mountain bike racing. It rained all night last night. You can see all the puddles. Luckily, it just now stopped raining, and it shouldn't be raining anymore today. I am excited about the mud race factor of today, but first up, we gotta get some breakfast. So we're done with our McDonald's, but you guys know Logan. He can't just have a normal coffee, so he brought this hand bean grinder, this little bitty water boiler, and this hand pump espresso machine. This guy's insane. Why does this exist? So it's like 8:30 now. The practice for the enduro is about to start. We're gonna go do a couple practice laps, and we'll give you a little review of the course when we get done. So we just finished up practice. I think my favorite run was run 2. Has a lot of rocks and stuff. A little sketchy since it's so wet, but still a whole lot of fun. Logan, how do you feel about the course?
I think that the soil is just too good, man. And the run 2 was a little bit more technical, which was stage 1. I think Sullivan's gonna probably beat me on that hard rock stuff, but I'm gonna beat him overall.
So we just finished with the enduro race. It started raining on the last stage, and it's still raining now. Just to save time on this video, me and Logan are going to give you our independent reviews of the race runs at the same time. So stage one was pretty good. I
crashed on the first turn.
The dirt was really good. And
towards the
I had
bottom.
a
So those two crashes,
I guess a good first
really
and second half.
Make up the rest
overall,
of the day.
I did catch it a little bit.
Dirt was,
I did start to catch the guy in front of me. Didn't catch him all the way, but I feel like I did do a little better than Logan on stage 1. Stage 2 started out. The first half was bad. I think I actually came unclipped.
Issues clipping in, but then later
like
on
halfway through the first half.
Technical spot.
The bottom half of stage 1 and 2 are the same, so I feel like I did really good on the second half because it was pretty much the same as stage 1. Stage 3, it was raining, really cold at the start. Shortly after the start, I did warm up.
Rock stuff.
I feel like I did pretty good. I think I was catching the guy in front of me.
My hands kept slipping off the brake lever.
I know he also didn't do practice, so he didn't really know the trail.
So, honestly, I didn't do too hot. I'd be surprised if I beat anyone.
They don't have the results yet. Don't know if we're gonna get them before we leave and go do something else, or if we're gonna stay around and wait. But we'll keep you updated. We didn't stay for the results, but we did end up finding a disc golf course nearby. So we finished with the round of DG. We'll go to Logan with the results.
You know, I really hate to say this, but I did end up losing again. That makes every single game in a row. Final score, Sullivan 76, Logan 82.
We did play a round in Buttonwillow on Friday before we started the drive over here, and very close. Logan almost beat me for the first time, but he didn't. Maybe one day it'll happen. So we're on our way back to the trails, and we decided to make a little stop for dinner and found this little park. Logan's gonna try and fix his back on the little spring machine, so
It's not working.
I don't think it's gonna work, but that's gonna be it for tonight. See y'all in the morning. Well, happy Sunday, weekenders. The sun is coming out. It rained a little bit more last night, but not much. Still got leftover water and some leftover good dirt. Gotta head on over to McDonald's, grab some breakfast, and then go get signed up and do some practice. So I got in 4 practice runs, and the track is pretty prime with all this rain we've been having, so a whole lot of traction out there. I just found out that it's going to be a 2-run format race, so I guess they combine your times on both runs, so going to make it pretty interesting. Races are going to be starting in 20 or 30 minutes or so, so start heading back up to the top of the mountain. So finally finished with the race runs. The first race run went a lot better than the second. The trail started to dry out really quickly for that second round and got a little sketchy. There's only like 3 or 4 people in my class. I'm pretty sure that I got first because other guys looked like noobs. But I don't think we're gonna stay around for the results. That way we have some time to do some other activities on the way home. And by other activities, I mean disc golf. So it just now finished. Pretty sure I beat Logan pretty bad. He did have a super long putt. I don't know if you noticed it in the video, but I'll play it again right here. It was definitely luck, not skill. He also did get a compliment on how far he could throw the disc. So overall, I'd say he won the virtual contest, but I think I won the real contest. Let's go over to Logan with the scores.
Hey guys, here with the scores. I just got done playing at Veterans Park. Sullivan's final score was a 62 and mine was a 70, so 8 strokes behind.
Well, time to finish up our drive back to Shafter. So I guess that's gonna be it for this weekend. See you next weekend. Croissant!